A fast-track court in Varanasi on Tuesday adjourned the matter for November 14th on the plea seeking worship of the Shivling that the Hindu site claimed to be found on the Gyanvapi mosque premises. The matter was adjourned for November 14th as the concerned judge would not sit in the fast-track court today. The court was supposed to deliver its verdict on the three main demands, which include the permission for the immediate beginning of prayer of Swayambhu Jyotirlinga Bhagwan Vishweshwar, the handing over of the entire Gyanvapi complex to the Hindus, and banning the entry of Muslims inside the premises of the Gyanvapi complex. The air quality in the national capital was recorded in the very poor category on Tuesday morning with an AQI of 321. As per the 6 a.m. data, the national capital region continued to witness bad air as Noida, which is a part of the national capital region, recorded an AQI of 354 in the very poor category, while Gurugram's AQI stood at 326 and continued to remain in the very poor category as per Suffer India. Meanwhile, with slight improvement in pollution levels, the Delhi government on Monday decided to reopen primary classes from November 9th and revoke the order asking 50% of its staff to work from home. Indian Air Force and French Air and Space Force participated in Garuda 7, a bilateral exercise at Air Force Station Jodhpur. Fighter aircraft like French Rafale, LCA Tejas, Sukhoi Su-30 and multi-role tanker transport flew over Jodhpur in full glory. The IAF contingent will also include combat-enabling assets like flight refueling aircraft, AWACS and AEW&C. This joint exercise will provide a platform for both the countries to enhance operational capability and interoperability while also sharing best practices. This is the 7th edition of the bilateral exercise. Several Congress leaders, including former General Secretary of the Pradesh Congress Committee Dharampal Thakur Khand, joined the Bharatiya Janata Party on Monday, days ahead of the Himachal Pradesh Assembly elections. This comes as a big jolt for the Congress Party in the state ahead of the polls scheduled on 12th November. A total of 26 leaders of the Congress Party quit and joined the ruling BJP with 4 days to go for the vote to be cast. The Congress leaders jumped the boat in the presence of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur and BJP Sudhan Singh, in charge of BJP state elections. BJP candidate from Shimla, Sanjay Sood, was also present on the occasion. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur extended a warm welcome to all the workers in the BJP.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.